As expected, iron kettles do rust. When it comes to dealing with rust, I'd like to take this opportunity to share my approach with everyone so that we can all benefit from it. Now I filled the iron kettle with water and am currently boiling it on an IH heater. The water level in the kettle is currently around 70%. The water level is about this high, not quite 70%. Now I'll add this 50 grams of tea leaves into the kettle. I'll carefully put the tea leaves in here. It's starting to boil now, isn't it? You know this liquid is still green in color. Look, it's green, isn't it? It's green, right? So we'll simmer it on low heat for a duration of 30 minutes. After that, we'll turn off the heat and leave it as is. We'll cover it. Well, we'll leave it like this for the next 24 hours until tomorrow night. Let's try transferring it quite a bit. It's gotten quite black, hasn't it? First, we'll take everything out, making sure to remove all items. Next, we'll fill it with water and thoroughly rinse it clean. Once it's rinsed, the rust prevention process will be complete. Yeah, just now there was a lot of tea, but I went ahead and took it all out by pouring it down the sink. Can you see inside? It's like really moist and well kind of charred black. It's blackish, giving the impression that the rust has stabilized into this color. When it gets to this point, it doesn't feel like it's rusting anymore. How should I put it? Iron will eventually rust over time, but the rusting process is really slow and gradual. When you first buy an iron kettle, no matter how well you take care of it, it tends to rust easily. However, over time, it becomes more compatible with water. Well, when you use this equipment for a long time, the rust stabilizes significantly over the years. Occasionally, as I have taught everyone, if you use tea leaves to prevent rust inside the equipment, after 5, 10, 15 or even 20 years, it will truly develop this kind of unique color. The process is gradual, but with consistent use and proper care, including the use of tea leaves, you will notice the transformation in the equipment's appearance over time. The tea leaves we used earlier can be squeezed using the ochakin shibori method. After being wrapped tightly in a cloth, these tea leaves can be used to wipe the outside of equipment. This method makes the equipment shiny and is very effective. Everyone, please try it out in that manner. Thanks a lot for always watching the Oitomi channel.